Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Exodus crypto wallet, focused on Bitcoin and other digital assets, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Exodus is a software, non-custodial wallet available for desktop and mobile. It lets users hold private keys locally, create a 12-word recovery phrase, and manage dozens to hundreds of cryptocurrencies from a single interface. The app also includes features like an in-app exchange, staking options, an NFT gallery, and optional hardware wallet integration, notably Trezor, for added security. In real use, many people praise Exodus for its clean, beginner-friendly interface and consolidated portfolio view. The wallet makes basic tasks, receiving, sending, swapping, and staking, straightforward, and desktop plus mobile sync keeps balances accessible across devices. Exodus also emphasizes privacy. You don't need an account to use the wallet, and the company states it does not collect users' seed phrases. There are some important caveats. Exodus does not add custody. If someone gets your device or recovery phrase, funds can be lost, so it's inherently less secure than a dedicated cold offline wallet, unless paired with a hardware device. Exodus doesn't offer traditional two-factor authentication for the wallet itself, and while the app doesn't charge send-receive network fees, swaps and buy/sell flows can include spreads or commissions built into the in-app exchange. Users frequently report that swap prices and network congestion can raise effective costs. Overall, Exodus is worth considering if you want a polished, all-in-one software wallet for everyday use and casual trading, especially as a learning or convenience tool. If your priority is long-term cold storage or absolute minimal fees and maximum trade transparency, plan to combine Exodus with a hardware wallet or use a specialized custodian/exchange for larger positions. This video is not sponsored or promotional. For inquiries, contact the email address listed in the description.